Good morning, YouTube. We are heading to Silver Star Resort. Spent the night in Econo Lodge. Pretty chill place. Had a nice pool, nice hot tub.
Talked to an old guy from Vancouver Island that's seen some crazy stuff in his time.
Yeah, this dude had seen some crazy stuff. He was like, yeah, it's crazy. We're gonna go shred some gnar. Hopefully there's some good stuff up here. Yeah. That's what we're doing today. Silver Star Resort, here we come. Yeah! What was that?
There we got closures coming all the way down just because it's a bit of an heavy.
Okay.
We weren't supposed to go in there?
No, so like show off, like you can if you look behind you.
Yeah, I totally went right by that. That was our bad. Yo, so we apparently were riding in avalanche territory and somebody like radioed us in and was like, these hooligans take their passes. So they took our passes and they're gonna give them back in like an hour at the end of the day. So we pretty much got in all of our runs for the day, so it's not really that bad, but still, like, we had no idea, and the area was like not marked at all. I just showed up and like saw a rock and I was like, oh, what the heck is that rock doing there? And then the guy's like, hey, you guys get over here. And then we got busted for something we didn't even know we were doing. And there was like one sign alerting us, so it's freaking stupid, but it's fine, I guess. I don't know. People are freaking idiots. They don't mark stuff. Alex? Yo, Alex and I sharing our first legal drink here in Canada. Sweet stuff. I just had that entire session and I didn't even turn on the mic. I'm just gonna redo it. What's up, dude? Alright, we'll redo it. Here we go. What's up, YouTube? Just a wonderful day out at Silver Star. Got my first legal drink, had tuna with hummus, landed 4 jumps in a row. It was amazing. Alex, what was your favorite part about the day?
My favorite part about the day is when Finn filmed this 5 seconds ago and had his mic off the entire time.
Yeah, that was bad. Dave, what was your favorite part besides losing your GoPro?
Dude, riding in those gondolas, those things are sweet.
Yeah, the gondolas are pretty sweet. Heck yeah. Next time I'm gonna remember to turn on my mic so then it's not just all inaudible. I'm sorry, you guys. Dave and Alex and
What? Oh yeah.
nice.